Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove pronouns on your Instagram profile. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! The pronouns section on Instagram is a feature that allows users to display their preferred pronouns on their profile. However, some users may not want to share this information for various reasons. They can remove their pronouns or leave the section blank in such cases. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram and then tap on your profile. You can see there's a pronouns on my Instagram profile. To remove these pronouns, you can tap on your edit profile. Tap on pronouns. And then tap on the pronouns over here. Tap on the upper right corner. Now, the pronouns has been removed from your Instagram profile. So that is how to remove pronouns on your Instagram profile. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!